Welcome to this Legrand tutorial on resetting your DIN rail mount gateway and your wall mount gateway. Resetting your gateway can help resolve connection issues or prepare the device for a new setup. Let's start by resetting your DIN rail mount gateway. Begin by locating the cogwheel on your gateway. Press and hold the cogwheel until the light on your DIN rail mount gateway blinks green, then blinks amber. Maintain the hold until a solid amber light appears. Then release your hold. After a brief moment, a purple light will appear. Your DIN rail mount gateway has now been reset. Now let's reset your wall mount gateway. Start by locating the cogwheel. This process will vary depending on your model. On Arteor and XL Life Smart models, remove the cover plate to expose the cogwheel. For Living Now models, simply remove the key cover. Press and hold the cogwheel until the light blinks green, then blinks amber. Maintain the hold until a solid amber light appears. Then release your hold. After a brief moment, a purple light will appear. Your gateways are now reset and ready to use. Explore Legrand's range of smart home solutions to enhance your living space and enjoy seamless control.